Hello everyone, this is RKV and you are watching Unreal Universe. Samsung has just released its Galaxy S device for this year and we'll be giving you 12 reasons why it is better than the iPhone X. So let's begin. Number 1. Display. Samsung Galaxy S9's display is rated as the best display out there in the market, says DisplayMate. The most respected display testing unit has claimed it. Before that all, the first place was held by iPhone X's display, which has been now replaced by Samsung Galaxy S9's display. The Samsung Galaxy S9 has a Super AMOLED display, whereas the iPhone X has an OLED display which is having a screen to body ratio of 80.93%, which is compared to Samsung Galaxy S9's 84.51, and the pixel density on Samsung Galaxy S9 is 568 ppi as compared to iPhone's 463 ppi. So the Samsung's display would be a little sharper as compared to iPhone's display, as it has a higher pixel density as compared to iPhone X. Number 2. The mighty notch. There is no notch on Samsung Galaxy S9, which provides it a huge edge over iPhone X, as there will be no losing of your favorite content on the top, which is caused by the notch. Number 3. The fingerprint sensor. The presence of fingerprint sensor on Samsung Galaxy S9 will surely provide an option to unlock your phone in different situations, unlike the iPhone X, which completely lacks a fingerprint sensor. The fingerprint sensor on the back of Samsung Galaxy S9 does provide an extra option for you to unlock your phone on the situations when you are unable to use the Face ID. As such, you are sleeping over a pillow or wearing sunglasses or having extra light over your back where you cannot use a Face ID to unlock your phone. So the fingerprint sensor does provide you an extra option to do so at such situations. Number 4. Camera. Samsung Galaxy S9 has a variable aperture lens that can change its aperture according to the amount of light entering the camera module. The Galaxy S9's camera can capture slow motion in 960 frames per second at 720p resolution. With an automatic motion detection, you cannot miss any of the shots. That is 4 times slower than the iPhone X, which is 240 frames per second. The Samsung Galaxy S9 would surely give you a better music experience, as it comes with AKG tuned stereo speakers and Dolby Atmos, which makes it the first phone to come out with Dolby Atmos. A headphone jack. So Samsung Galaxy S9 does come with a headphone jack, so you don't have to worry about charging any of your Bluetooth headsets and you can enjoy music uninterruptedly. External micro SD card support. So Samsung Galaxy S9 does come with external support to micro SD card up to 400 GB, and who doesn't want to have extra space on their phone? On the other hand, the iPhone X completely lacks a micro SD card support. The Samsung Galaxy S9 does come with a larger battery as compared to iPhone X, which is having a capacity of 2700 mAh. On the other hand, Samsung Galaxy S9 has a battery capacity of 3000 mAh. Fast wireless charging. The Samsung Galaxy S9 provides you an option of fast wireless charging as soon as it comes out of the box, which is not available on the iPhone X, So you have to spend extra 70 to 80 bucks just to buy that fast charging on the iPhone 10. The Samsung Pay, which is the most accepted mobile payment out there on the market and something which is not available on iPhone at this moment. Extra sensors. Yes, the Samsung Galaxy S9 does come with some extra features such as the heart rate sensor and the new one, which is the blood pressure measuring sensor. These sensors may come out to be handy at some situations, which is completely absent on the iPhone 10. Last but not the least, price, which is the most important factor when you go to buy something on the market. Yes, Samsung Galaxy S9 do come with a very less price as compared to iPhone 10, which is only $720 compared to iPhone 10, which is whopping $1,000. So that were the 12 points that make Samsung Galaxy S9 a better phone as compared to the iPhone 10. So what do you think about it? Tell me in the comment section below, and I'll see you tomorrow in the next one. Till then, peace out. Subscribe to our channel for latest tech videos and hit the bell icon to get notifications first.